Hello students, welcome to your maths class. As in the previous video, we have discussed and learned about subtraction of tens. So today, we will learn about addition of two-digit numbers. So let's get started. Two children होते हैं, Tia and John. They are very happy because their grandmother has come for the weekend. Grandmother Tia and John के लिए ढेर सारे things लेकर आती हैं. She gives 12 apples to Tia and 11 to John. Can you tell me how many apples do they have in all? अभी तक तो आपने one digit numbers को add करना सीखा था. But today, let's see how to add two digit numbers. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in the columns of ones and tens. Example, we have two numbers, 12 and 11. So, in 12, write 1 at tens place and 2 at ones place. In 11, write 1 at tens place and another one at ones place. Step 2. Firstly, add the digits in ones column. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. We will write 3 in tens column. At step 3, add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, we will write 2 in tens column. Now we get the sum of 12 plus 11 is 23. Kids, हमने one of the previous videos में expanded form के बारे में study किया था, है ना? Example, हमारे पास number है 13. तो इसका expanded form क्या होगा? 10 plus 3 is equal to 110 plus 3 ones. Do you know? हम इन टू नंबर्स को भी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में राइट करके एडिशन कर सकते हैं. लेट मी शो यू. स्टेप 1. राइट 12 इन एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. Step 2. Write 11 in expanded form. 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. Step 3. Add the tens digits 1 of 12 and 1 of 11 together, and ones digits 2 of 12 and 1 of 11 together. Means 12 का 110 that is 10 और 11 का 110 that is 10 को एक साथ add करो. Now keep these numbers in bracket. 11 का plus 12 का 2 ones और 11 का 1 ones एक साथ add करो. Now put these numbers in bracket. Now add both brackets number. 10 plus 10 will be 20 plus 2 plus 1 will be 3 is equal to, we get the sum of 12 plus 11 is 23. It means Tia and John have 23 apples in all. Let's write it another way. Addition of two digit numbers through statements. Number of apples grandmother gave to Tia is equal to 12. Number of apples grandmother gave to John is equal to 11. Total number of apples grandmother gave in all is equal to what? Now we will add. We will start adding from ones column. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now we will add tens column. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we will write 2 in tens column. Let's take one more example. Grandmother is very talented. She is too good in creativity and always keeps herself busy. उन्होंने 2 days में कुछ bookmarks बनाए. First day 24 और second day 23. Let's add and know how many did she make in all. Arrange the numbers in columns of ones and tens. As we have two numbers 23 and 24. So in 23 write 2 at tens place and 3 at ones place. In 24, write 2 at tens place and 4 at ones place. Now we will add it. Second step is, firstly add the digits in ones column. Let's add 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Next step is, add the digits of tens column. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, we get the sum of 23 and 24 is 47. It means grandmother made 47 bookmarks in 2 days. Let's add it through expanding. We have two numbers 23 and 24. First step, write 23 in expanded form. 20 plus 3. Second step, write 24 in expanded form. 20 plus 4. Step 3, add the tens digits 2 of 23 and 2 of 24 together. Means 20 plus 20. And ones digits 3 of 23 and 4 of 24 together. Now we will add 3 plus 4 and put these numbers in bracket. We get 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the sum of 23 and 24 is 47. Now let's do it through statements. Number of bookmarks grandmother made on first day is equal to 23. Number of bookmarks grandmother made on second day is equal to 24. Total number of bookmarks grandmother gave in all. Now we will add. Firstly, from ones column, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, in answer we get 47. Now it's practice time. Question is, complete the page number 54, 55 and 56 in your book. That's it for today kids. We'll meet again in next